Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out the KitchekShop 14-ounce Smart Coffee Mug Warmer. This is a rechargeable self-heating mug that promises to keep your drink at the perfect temperature. This product was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and unbox it. First up, you've got the user manual, pretty straightforward, but it's always good to have instructions handy in case you need a quick reference. Next is the charging cable. You'll see the USB-C tip and the magnetic attachment. That magnetic connector makes it easy to snap on and off without fiddling around. Here's the charging adapter, compact and simple, designed to work seamlessly with the cables. We also get a stirring spoon included, nice touch for mixing your coffee or tea without needing to grab one from the kitchen. Now for the star of the show, this smart mug itself. It has a ceramic matte finish with a stainless steel core. The texture feels smooth, the build is solid, and it has a bit of weight to it, which makes it feel premium. Here's the lid. It is a spill resistant, which is great if you're on the go. Inside the mug, you'll notice a max line indicator. This helps you avoid overfilling and keeps the heating consistent. Underneath the mug, you'll find the power button. Press and hold to turn it on, and you're ready to start heating. On the side of the mug, here's the magnetic charging connector. This is where the cable attaches. It is super easy to line up and connect. On the front, you'll see the controls, a left and right arrow, and a pause button in the middle. This lets you adjust the temperature settings and pause heating whenever you want. And finally, a slight touch, subtle branding. The KitchekShop logo is printed right on the mug, giving it a clean, modern look. One cool feature in this mug is while charging, you'll see the battery animation indicating the battery level, and this gives you a clear idea of how much juice is left before you unplug. The SG mug application is pretty easy to install and set up. The instructions are clear enough to follow. Just search SG mug from Store app, then install it. And once the app is open, turn on Bluetooth on your device and make sure the mug is on. Tap the plus button on the app, select Smart Mug from the device list, and when you're done adding successfully, you'll see a Success All Connected message in your app. Now let's put it to the test with my warm Starbucks coffee. It is now getting cold, so this is a perfect time to give it a test. I'm setting it to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the sweet spot for me. Here's a quick time lapse of the mug heating up my coffee. It started from 93 degrees Fahrenheit temperature, and it took about 45 minutes to reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is perfect for me as a slow coffee drinker. The taste is smooth, there's no burnt flavor, just consistent warmth. Outside the mug feels warm but not too hot to hold, which is great for warming your hands, especially this winter holiday season. Just make sure not to touch the inside surface of the mug while it's heating up. Cleaning is pretty easy. This is not dishwasher safe, so I just use a soft sponge with mild soap and water after use. And I made sure that it's fully dry before connecting it to the charger. To avoid damaging the electronics and battery, I tried to avoid submerging it in the water. One thing I think needs improvement is the battery life and recharging speed. The charging time is over an hour to 100%, which is kinda long. But that's not really a big deal if you have the access to a portable charger all the time. In my experience, I didn't even have to worry about it because I always use it at home, and when I'm on the road driving, I keep it plugged in all the time. Overall, the KitchekShop Smart Mug does exactly what it promises. It keeps your coffee hot and enjoyable for longer. If you're a coffee lover and a slow sipper like me who wants consistent warmth, I would highly recommend it. I will leave a link below if you want to check it out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.